Outdoor kitchens are well hot. Outdoor kitchens ideas have moved beyond a standalone grill with a small cook space. Popular design outdoor kitchen feature included with sinks, grill that rival any indoor cooking range. Appliances such as a stainless steel refrigerator, cabinet, grill island, and luxury countertops, putting within reach everything to make a delicious meal.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
Plan your outdoor cooking space layout with the following outdoor kitchen ideas, which include this space. Build the entertaining guests in grand style. Homeowners can grill up dinner in the logs outdoor kitchen and then gather the party around the large dining tables.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really?
Safety is always important when it comes to outdoor kitchens. To make sure your space is safe and enjoyable for everyone, it's vital to consider fireproof material and any potential risk for children playing outdoor. If your outdoor kitchen is covered, it's also a good idea to consider ventilation and clearance.
29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again.
A smart choice for small space that multitask as cookout central one day and a garden hub the next. Start with a portable charcoal or gas grill fitted with heavy cast iron or stainless steel grills and an easy clean to grease trap. For storage and counter space, added a rolling cart with shelves to avoid serving burgers starter by a clip on grill light.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10.
Electricity, water, and natural gas line usually are brought to the outdoor kitchens from the service in the house. Beside providing power of the kitchen light and refrigerators, electric outlets should be included in plan for the cooking and dining area.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe